Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna do the second part of this journal entry. It's gonna be pretty watery. You can see we're starting a fish and a boat and all kinds of fun things. We're using modeling paste for texture. So let's do it. Okay, modeling paste. Just gonna squeeze out on some here, like on here on where the wave's gonna be. This old brush. I'm just going to brush it on here. Please make sure to watch the previous video where I show you how I set the background up and how I set up my journal. I'm going to link it in the cards. Let's see. Yeah, it's gonna work or not. We're just gonna stamp it. Yeah, somewhat a success. You kind of can tell that they're waves. Good enough. So this is sort of the water. That's supposed to be the sky. So let's see if we find the blue I like. So I'm not going to chess over it. I'm just going to use some blue. There you go. I really like this page already. I think I'm just gonna leave it. Okay, we're done. Okay, so now I'm just bringing in some blues. This is from low viscosity acrylic paints from Desiree to give a little bit of contrast. Let's get another brush. Let me use this one. Okay, so now I'm just filling in the rest of the water on the bottom. And as you can see, there's some water drops on it. I kind of left them on purpose, so I'm going to give it the impression of water.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you. Got to love you. Just keep walking down to separate ways. I can show you. Escaping your pain now. You break down. You're drained now. Your heart pounds. Your lips move. Your eyes shine. You lose it all.
footage, there is some missing. So all of a sudden there's clouds, and they're created with the oil pastels. Yeah, let's see if we can put a boat on here. Boat. It's the fun boat.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love you. Escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. Together we go down to the ocean for you to sail away. Trying not to show you my emotions. Now you sail away. Together we go down to the ocean.
Sorry again, there's some footage missing pretty soon in the next segment. So you can see there is some foamy white waves and some fluffy clouds going on, and they're done with white acrylic paint and a dry brush technique. Let's do the butterflies. Yeah, not too good. Okay. Try to paint. That's better. Yep, there. There. That one you can see black. They like to fly around the water. What kind of little insect to eat? Fun glittery color. See if that one works better. I'll give you a close-up. Oh yeah. Got this dude. Now what color? Should he be yellow? It could be yellow. Okay, let's do this again. Ah, that was not good. Again, looks like a fish. Let him dry and then I'll outline him a little bit. This is so far. I need to let it dry now, and then I do some writing. I have this here. I'll show you before I come back. I got this chalkboard, and I'm thinking I'm going to put it up here in the corner and write the date. And yeah, it might be fun. And then writing on it where I was in summer. Did some writing. That's probably the next one. Okay, see you in a bit. So it's pretty much dried now. And now we're gonna put some details on here. I put 2 pieces of paper on here just to kind of make it more of a journal than a picture, because it's supposed to be more of a journal and not an art journal. So I have a hard time to take over the whole page. So I'm going to do the fish, the writing, and I cut out a piece of that chalkboard paper. So I'm gonna make the little funny little edges. I'm gonna peel the back off and see if it's how good it sticks on this paper now. Should I put it straight? Put it straight, I guess. Probably should have wrote on it first before I put it on here. Silver, maybe I'm gonna use silver instead of white, because the white doesn't work very well. Okay, got that on there, and now we gotta work on this. The edges are coming off, but that's okay. I found this one, Speedball, Elegant Writer, and it's working, so let's try that one.
Got to know you before you faded away. I got to know you, got to love you. Just keep on walking down to separate ways. I can show you, escaping your pain now. You break down, you're drained now. Your heart pounds, your lips move, your eyes shine. You lose it all. I'll just wait here as you're fading away. I got to know you, got to love you. One thing to say before you're fading away. I really love.
As you can see, the writing, I kind of tried to smear it a little bit so it looked like there was water on it, but I don't know if I like it, but anyway. And I actually put a couple of funny stickers on there, so kind of lighten it up a little bit. And the fish got a couple of splashes and stuff, but all in all, that's it. It came out okay, I guess. Let me know in the comments what do you think. As I already mentioned, make sure to watch the first video in this little series. Subscribe, like, and share.
Now you sail